Hi everybody, this is Gary. I know this video is coming a little bit late, and although I'm not really expected to do a video every week explaining to you on how to do things, I am going to do it this week, so don't expect one every week. But I just wanted to let you know that you do need to go to the front page of Carmen to this particular class, and you need to click on the particular link for the week that we are in. So we are in week number 3 right now, as you can see. There's no video posted here, but you would still click on this link to see what do you do this week. Okay? So I'm clicking on this link, and some people have said, I can't get to the reading for the discussion board. Well, if you go through all of these things actually on this page, it tells you exactly what we're doing this week. It gives you the assignments. I know the links in the discussion boards have to be updated sometimes, and I just fixed those for discussion board 3. However, even with those not being fixed, you can still go to this page right here and click on this first reading, okay, and it works, and that's what you would read, okay? Or you would go back and click on the second reading, Classroom Life, and here's what you would read. So you have access to all of these readings, whether or not the discussion board links work or not. That was the fault of another teacher who copied those, and I have to fix those. But these pages will always work, okay? So you really don't have any excuse not to read something. Always go to the week link page to find out what you need to do. Here are all the videos you need to watch, and the to-do list on all of the assignments, and then the schedule at the bottom. Now, very briefly, this week, because it's late, you need to do various things. You need to watch those videos. You need to read these 2 readings. You need to reply and post on the discussion board by Friday night. And then Saturday and Sunday, you need to respond to one of your peers. Over here, Monday through, it says Friday night, comment on a peer's personal profile on their u.osu.edu pages. Now, this is another email that I have gotten that people say, I don't know where to post. I'm going to go over through this and try to show you where to do it, just in case people have not activated posting on their profile pages. And then you need to also revise and post your photo reflection on u.osu.edu based on your peers' reviews. I will put some comments there, hopefully tomorrow, before the day is through, so I'll give you some time. I might extend the revision posting photo reflection deadline 1 day, so instead of on Sunday night, I'll make it due on Monday night, okay? Just to give you some extra time on that, because I'm a little bit late on giving my comments, okay? So that's what you need to do. So let's go and look at this peer's personal profile comments and commenting on that. So if we go back to the front page of Carmen, you can see that I have a link right here in bright red to all of the blogs of people, the u.osu.edu sites. You can see mine right at the beginning, but let's just go through a couple of these, and forgive me if I'm going to your page. I don't mean to make an example of you, but I just want to show people. So Ming-Tu Bao here, if we click on their page, here's the personal profile. He's got it all here, and then down at the bottom there's no place to comment, right? Well, that's fixable, and I will send you a video on how to fix that later. But right now, if you don't have a place to comment, then go ahead and right here on Hello World, it says u.osu on Hello World. Click on Hello World and put the comments right here, okay, according to what you think about their personal profile. You'll write it all here, and then you'll probably have to go through this thing, the anti-spam word, your name and your email, and then post the comment, okay? So if I do this really quickly, this is an example comment, okay? And the anti-spam word, FIR space GECKO, gecko, and my name, Gary Whitby, and my email, whitby.4 info@osu.edu. Okay? And then I post it, and hopefully it'll work. And there it is. Gary Whitby says, this is an example comment. Now what I want you to do is take the comment that you wrote to this particular person, okay, on their personal profile, copy it, and then also I want you to submit it to another Dropbox on Carmen, which I will create right now. But I want you to submit it there so that I can see who did you comment to, 3 people, okay, 3 of your peers, and what did you say. So what you will do is in one Microsoft Word document, you just make a blank page. I will make one right here. Okay, hang on just a second. Let's just say new, okay, and here it is. Let's say here's my Microsoft Word document. I could say I commented on 3 people, okay, and then you put the names of the people. I'm going to say Brad Pitt, okay, and then I would put the comments. This is what I said, and I would paste it here, okay. And the next one I would say Angelina Jolie, okay, that's the second person, and I would put all the comments, cut and paste what I said about Angelina Jolie. And the last one would be, I don't know, John Doe, okay. And I would put all of the comments that I wrote about John Doe. This, then, I would save it on my computer somewhere, and then I will upload it to the assignment area, which I will create right now. Let's just put this under assignments. Where is this? I want to have personal profile. Here it is, comments on personal profiles, 15 points, that's 5 points each. And here it says you upload a file. Actually, this is where you upload it. Okay, so you upload that file right here so that I can see which people you commented on. But you also need to do it on their u.osu.edu sites. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have other questions, send me an email and I will try to answer. I might make a video, but in any case, every week, again, let me go through this one more time. Go to the week and go to the link, even if there is no video here, okay? And that will tell you what to do. All right, have a good week.